We are looking for easy and comfortable and less expensive life, especially when the bigger cities have really grown in population, in complexities, in laws, traffic, so many things. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I thought to ask a very important question from my dear brother, elite class of realtors. Brother Haris Naz is with me. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. That's all right.
So, taking opportunity from your presence with me, I want to ask that if people are thinking to get out of big cities because of whatever
Yeah.
complexities and reasons, uh, and they're thinking to go to the rural side, what do you think the advantages are if I want to buy a property in the rural area?
In buying a property in a rural area, there are multiple advantages. You're close to the nature,
Right,
always,
right,
and you can live an organic life. You can grow your own vegetables.
right,
You can have your own animals,
right.
right?
Yeah,
And you have a field to run around.
right,
You're away from the fumes of cars, which is chemicals and
right,
whatnot.
right,
You have a fresh water, well water that you'll
right,
be always be drinking.
right,
And main thing is value. I mean, current situation, rural properties are very low to purchase if someone is thinking. So you can get a nice big detached property along with the land,
right.
and they appreciate in value much more than any regular property,
Excellent. Yeah,
because a regular property will go up maybe annually 50,000 or
yeah,
maybe 100,000 depending on where it is,
right.
versus a rural property, uh, it may go up in millions
Yes, that's
because
right.
it has land attached to it.
Yeah,
Land always gives you more money
yeah,
versus
yeah.
much
Bigger,
less of land.
bigger lots, and if you have few acres along attached to it,
Yes,
you can have organic life. It's a very important point.
yes,
आप सब्जियां उगा सकते हैं, जानवर पाल सकते हैं.
yeah.
मतलब आप गाय और बकरियां.
There's so many things you can have. You can play
You
sports.
can have birds,
Yeah.
actually,
Yes, yes,
pets and birds.
yeah,
And actually, it's a great business to have breeding of the birds and
yeah.
animals like dogs and cats. And it's a great business.
Because today time we're consuming close to 100% processed food,
Yeah, yeah,
and in anything, even in meat, it's artificial food that they have been consumed. So where you
right,
can give them your own, and we're supposed to be, all the food that we eat, we have to throw in a compost
right,
garbage bin, right?
right.
That compost is not a garbage.
Yeah,
For animals, you just feed them. That's a very good food for them.
right, right. And you become what you eat.
Yes, yes, yes.
You become what you eat, you become what you believe. These are very important sayings. So अगर आप ऑर्गेनिक फूड खा रहे हैं, मतलब आपने गाय रखी हुई है, अपनी गाय का दूध आप
Yeah, yeah.
पिए, अपनी बकरियां हैं उनका दूध पिए.
And yes, and in our backyard, that we worry about the weed and stuff,
Yes,
but that is food for the animals.
food for the
That
animals.
weed is,
Yeah,
they will eat that weed and grass,
right,
and that
right.
is good organic.
Right. Thank you
So
very much.
yeah,
Great. That's a great talk.
yes,
That's a great talk. I mean, there could be a cycle of feed
yeah,
that nature grows it and you feed it to the animals and pets and birds, and then you can eat and drink the produce from the animals. So there's a cycle
yes,
actually.
yes. And if you
So
have any question related to that, I have lived in a
please.
rural property myself, so I have experienced the septic well. I know the ins and outs. So if you have any questions related to that, do give me a call at 416-356-6572. Once again, 416-356-6572. Customer, you can please share your number as
और
well.
मैं ख़वातीन हज़रात आपका अदना ग़ुलाम 647-203-0426. Financial services, financial industry, mortgages, insurances, any kind of insurance, mindset building, coaching, training, healthy, prosperous, and life full of abundance. Give me a call at 647-203-0426, and I will register you for daily Gilani's Wealth Group training where we will succeed together.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.